Good morning, friends. I am Patil P.S. from SGM College, Karad. Today we are going to study second part of hydrocarbon, that is alkene. First part is alkane, then alkene, alkyne and aromatic compound. यामध्ये चार विभाग आहेत. पहिला जो पार्ट आहे तो कोणता असेल? अल्केन, सेकंड अल्कीन, थर्ड अल्काइन and फोर्थ aromatic compound. पहिला जो पार्ट आहे अल्केन हा आपला संपलेला आहे. Here today we are going to learn second part of hydrocarbon, that is alkene. We know that definition of alkene is, हे आपली बऱ्याच वेळा झालेली आहे तरी पण मी रिपीट करते. Alkenes are aliphatic, saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Aliphatic means open chain compound. Both the ends of the carbon chain are open. Therefore, this is called as aliphatic. Unsaturated. Unsaturated means containing carbon-carbon double bond, and hydrocarbon means containing carbon and hydrogen atom. These alkenes are defined as the aliphatic, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Then these alkenes are also called as olefins. Here olefin means oil, oli means oil, and phen means formine. Alkenes are also known as olefins because they have tendency to form oily product on treatment with halogen. Therefore, this is called as olefins. Then, general formula of alkene is, we know that general formula of alkene is CN H2N. CN H2N, N means number of carbon atoms. General formula of alkene is CN H2N, means two hydrogen atoms of alkane. Alkene contains two hydrogen atoms less than corresponding alkane. For example, ethane. Ethane formula is CH3 single bond CH3. This is the formula of ethane. Here two hydrogen atoms less. Then we get here CH2 double bond CH2. Means alkenes contain two hydrogen atoms less than corresponding alkene. Here alkane C2H6, two carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. In case of alkene C2H4, means two hydrogen atoms less than corresponding alkene. This is the ethene. Then what are alkadines and alkatrines? Alkadines means the aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing two carbon-carbon double bond. Two carbon-carbon double bond are called as alkadines. Alkadines means the aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons contains two carbon-carbon double bond are called as alkadines. Then alkatrines. Alkatrines means the aliphatic unsaturated compound contains three carbon-carbon double bond. Then this is called as alkatrines. म्हणजे alkatrines मध्ये दोन ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे? कार्बन कार्बन. त्या चेन मध्ये दोन ठिकाणी कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? alkadines. And the aliphatic unsaturated compound contains three times. Here this is first alkadines, second alkatrine. तीन ठिकाणी जर कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड असेल तर त्यावेळी त्याला काय म्हणायचं, अल्कॅट्राइड्स. Then next point is isomerism in alkenes. Isomerism in alkenes. आयसोमेरिझम डेफिनेशन आपण शिकलेलो आहातच. आयसोमेरिझमची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? The compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formulae are called as isomers of each other, and this phenomenon is called as isomerism. Here, in case of alkene with more than 3 carbon atoms, shows the isomerism, means 4 carbon atoms or more than 4 carbon atoms. This shows the isomerism in alkene. Here, this alkene shows 2 types of isomerism. First is structural isomerism, A. Structural isomerism, and B. Geometrical isomerism. Alkene shows 2 types of isomerism, A. Structural isomerism and B. Geometrical isomerism. Here first, A. Structural isomerism. Here structural isomerism means what? The isomerism which arises due to the difference in their structure. Then this is called as structural isomerism. The isomerism which arises due to the difference in structure, then this is called as structural isomerism. This structural isomerism also contains 2 types. First type is here chain isomerism, and B. position isomerism. Structural isomerism is the isomerism which arises due to the structure. Then this is called as structural isomerism. This structural isomerism contains 2 types: chain isomerism and position isomerism. First, chain isomerism. Here chain isomerism means the isomerism which arises due to the difference in carbon chain. Then this is called as chain isomerism. For example, here alkene shows 2 types of chain isomerism, that is straight chain and branched chain. For example, in case of but 1-ene, or here common name is alpha butylene, but 1-ene, or this is also known as alpha butylene. Formula is CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर तुम्ही शिकलेला आहातच, बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल या युनिट मध्ये. फर्स्ट नंबरिंग, जर आपण नंबरिंग या साइडने केलं 1 2 3 4, दिस इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ब्युटेन. ANE इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ENE. डबल बॉन्डच्या ठिकाणचा जो नंबर असेल तो काय करायचा, त्या ENE च्या अगोदर लिहायचा. म्हणजे याचं नाव काय होईल, ब्युटेन मधला ANE आपण काय केला, रिप्लेस केला ENE. ब्यूट ANE रिप्लेस्ड बाय ENE. डबल बॉन्ड पहिल्या कार्बनच्या ठिकाणी आहे म्हणून इथं काय लिहिलं 1 ब्यूट 1 ene और दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कॉमन नेम इज ब्यूटिलीन अल्फा ब्यूटिलीन here this is alpha carbon atom this is a beta gamma and delta अल्फा कार्बन एटमच्या ठिकाणी डबल बॉन्ड आहे म्हणून याला काय म्हणतात आपण अल्फा ब्यूटिलीन This butene contains molecular formula is C4H8. Then second structure is isobutylene. Isobutylene or 2-methyl prop 1-ene. The structure is CH3 CH3 double bond CH2 CH3 CH3 double bond CH2 total carbon atoms are 4 1 2 3 4 the prefix iso is used because methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom therefore isobutylene this is a common name and 2-methyl numbering is done in this way 1 2 3 this is the derivative of propane AN is replaced by ENE. Here डबल बॉन्ड च्या ठिकाणी नंबर किती आहे 1 तो एक नंबर आपण ENE च्या अगोदर लिहिला. The second carbon atom methyl group is attached therefore 2 methyl prop 1 ENE. Here chain isomerism. Chain isomerism is the isomerism which arises due to the difference in chain. Carbon chain, then this is called length of carbon chain, then this is called as chain isomerism. Here this but 1-ene or alpha butylene contains 4 carbon atom chain of 4 carbon atoms. This but 1-ene contains chain of 4 carbon atoms. Second carbon atom chain किती carbon atoms है 1 2 3 4. In this case this isobutylene or 2-methyl prop 1-ene contains chain of 1 2 3 chain of 3 carbon atoms. Means here chain of 4 carbon atoms and chain of 3 carbon atoms, and in this case each carbon atom is joined with another 2 carbon atoms. This carbon atom is joined with another 2 carbon atom. This carbon atom is joined with another 1 carbon atom, means 1 or 2 carbon atom. Therefore this is a straight chain and which contains 4 carbon atoms. In this case at least 1 carbon atom is branched, means at least 1 carbon atom which is attached with another 3 carbon atom or 4 carbon atoms, means more than 2 carbon atom, then this is called as branched chain. Here chain isomerism is the isomerism which arises due to the difference in carbon chain length is called as chain isomerism. Here chain of 4 carbon atoms, here chain of 3 carbon atoms. This is a straight chain and this is a branched chain. Then second type is position isomerism. Structural isomerism, 2 types. First type is chain isomerism and second type is position isomerism. Here position isomerism means the isomerism which arises due to the difference in position of carbon-carbon double bond in the same carbon chain. In the same carbon chain, then this is called as position isomerism. The isomerism which arises due to the difference in position of carbon-carbon double bond in the same carbon chain, then this is called as position isomerism. For example, in case of but 1-ene, but 1-ene and Here but 1 formula is CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2 CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is known as 1 2 3 4. This is the derivative of butane. An is replaced by ene. डबल बॉन्ड च्या ठिकाणी कार्बन नंबर किती आहे 1 1 2 3 4. therefore but 1 ene. then but 2 ene. formula is CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. in this case 1 2 3 4. this is the derivative of butane. An is replaced by ene. डबल बॉन्ड च्या ठिकाणी किती नंबर येतोय 1 2 3 4. here 2. therefore but 2 ene. here molecular formula for butane is C4H8. butene molecular formula C4H8. here also C4H8 means here position isomerism. Position isomerism is the isomerism which arises due to the position of carbon carbon double bond in the same carbon chain. then this is called as position isomerism. in case of butane, here but 1 ene. the position is 1 ene means but 1 ene, and here but 2 ene means in this structure first and structure second. in structure first and structure second are the examples of position isomerism because they differ in their position or location of the carbon carbon double bond, and therefore this is called as position isomerism. Another example is similarly painting shows two position isomerism or two position isomers. that is pentene. we know that molecular formula of pentene is C5H10. C5H10. here paint 1 ene. CH3 CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. this is the formula of paint 1 ene. then paint 2 ene. CH3 then CH2 CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CH3. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी कार्बनची व्हॅलेन्सी किती झाली पाहिजे 4. 1 2 3 4. याची पण 1 2 3 4 CH3. in this case this paint 1 ene and paint 2 ene are the position isomers of each other. here this is the example of position isomers because your location or position of double bond is different, means this they show here differ in the position of carbon carbon double bond. this is called as position isomerism. then second type is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. B. Isomerism in alkene shows two types: structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Here geometrical isomerism means the isomerism which arises due to the difference in special arrangement of atoms or groups. Special arrangement of atoms or groups attached to the carbon-carbon double bond is called as geometrical isomerism. Or second definition is the compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different arrangement of atoms or groups in the space are called as geometrical isomers of each other, and this phenomenon is called as geometrical isomerism. Here for example, in case of but2ene, but2ene, molecular formula of butene is butene, molecular formula is C4H8. Then here the structural formula in case of but2ene, the structural formula is CH3, then CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is the structural formula of but2ene. Molecular formula is C4H8. This but2ene has but2ene has same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different arrangement of atoms or groups in the space, and they show two geometrical isomers. That is, first isomer is CH3, this is CH3, then CH, double bond, here CH, and this CH3. This is the first structure known as a cis but2ene. This is structure A. Then structure B, here this CH3, then C, double bond, here this C, this CH3, this is the H and H. This is known as B structure, that is a trans but2ene, cis but2ene and trans but2ene. Geometrical isomerism, this is also known as cis trans isomerism. Here this but2ene means CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3 having the same molecular formula, that is C4H8. Same molecular formula, cis but2ene and trans but2ene contains same molecular formula, but same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different arrangement. Here different arrangement of atoms or groups in the space are called as geometrical isomers of each other, and this phenomenon is called as geometrical isomerism. In case of cis but2ene, here the geometrical isomerism in which two similar atoms or two similar groups are attached to the or lie to the present on the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. Then this is called as cis isomer. A is cis isomer. The geometrical isomerism in which when same atoms or same groups present on or lie on same side of the carbon-carbon double bond, then this is called as cis isomers. Here CH3, CH3, these two groups are attached on same side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and hydrogen atoms are attached to the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. And therefore, this is called as cis isomer. In case of cis bute-2-ene, these two hydrogen atoms and two methyl groups are attached same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. हे दोन मिथाइल ग्रुप कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्डच्या वरच्या साइडला आहेत आणि दोन हायड्रोजन ॲटम कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्डच्या खालच्या बाजूला आहेत, म्हणून याला काय म्हटलेलं आहे, सिस आयसोमर्स. इन केस ऑफ ट्रान्स आयसोमर, बी ट्रान्स आयसोमर, trans isomer means the geometrical isomerism in which if two similar atoms or two similar groups are present or lie on opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, then this is called as trans isomer. बघा परत, the isomerism in which or geometrical isomerism in which when two similar atoms or two similar groups are attached or present on carbon same side of the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond. Sorry, this is a trans isomers means two similar atoms or two similar groups are attached or present or lie on opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, then this is called as trans isomer. In case of here trans bute-2-ene, here two similar atoms, hydrogen, two similar groups CH3 are present opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this is called as trans isomer. Here in trans bute-2-ene, two methyl groups and two hydrogen atoms are lie on opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this is called as here trans isomers. Means geometrical isomerism definition परत पहा, the isomerism which arises due to the difference in spatial arrangement of atoms or groups attached to the carbon-carbon double bond is called as geometrical isomerism. म्हणजे यामध्ये आयसोमेरिझम मध्ये आपण काय काय पाहिलं, आयसोमेरिझम इन अल्केन, इन अल्कीन, that is first. Here structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Structural isomerism contains two types, chain isomerism and position isomerism, and second part is B, that is the geometrical isomerism. Thank you.